Hey there, future investor. Are you holding back from investing because of things you've heard? Today, I'm here to bust the top 5 investing myths that might be holding you back and help you get on the path to financial freedom. Myth number 1. You need a lot of money to start investing. Totally false. These days, you can start with as little as $10 using apps like Robinhood, eToro, or Acorns. The key is starting small and letting time and compound growth do the work for you. Myth number 2. The stock market is too risky. Sure, there's risk involved, but investing isn't about gambling. It's about understanding the companies and sectors you believe in and spreading your risk with diversified investments. Over time, the market has historically gone up. Myth number 3. You have to be a finance expert to succeed. Not true at all. Today, there are free resources, YouTube channels, and apps that make investing easy and understandable. Start with simple strategies, like index funds, and grow your knowledge step by step. Myth number 4. You should always hold stocks forever. Sounds nice, but it's not always smart. Some stocks lose value over time and markets change. While long-term investing is great, it's okay to sell and reallocate when something isn't working anymore. Myth number 5. Timing the market is everything. Nope, even the experts can't predict every market move. The best strategy is consistency. Invest regularly whether the market is up or down. It's all about timing the market, not timing the market. So, don't let these myths hold you back. Investing doesn't have to be scary or complicated. Start small, stay consistent, and learn as you go. Your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment for more investing tips.